two person A and B are running on a circular track. At the start, B is ahead of A and their position make an angle of 30 degree at the center of the circle. क्या है? पहले let's break this down. We have a circle and let's suppose this is starting from here, the race. So A and B, they are not starting from the same point. At the start, B is ahead of A. B is taking a lead and their position make an angle of 30 degree. So if this is the center, this would be 90 degree. यहाँ तक 90 है. So this may be, this is 30. This is 30, 30 and 30. So somewhere around here is B making an angle of 30 degree between them. Okay. Now, when A reaches the point diametrically opposite to his starting point. What is the starting point of A? A ने यहाँ से start करा है. Diametrically opposite point would be this point. And when he reaches the point diametrically opposite to his starting point, he meets B. मतलब A यहाँ से travel करते हुए along the circular track, when A reaches this point and B has also started moving, he would meet B. So they both meet at this point. Okay. So can we say that A has actually traveled 180 degrees? A has moved by 180 degrees. While B, who has a start of 30 degrees, will only cover 150 degrees to reach here. Because we know both of them are reaching here together. So B would be covering only 150 degrees. This is their distance covered. Okay? Now let's look at few concepts. Time is equal to distance by speed. And we know when time is same, then speed and distance are directly proportional. What is directly proportional? Directly proportional means, let's take example, 2 person जिसकी स्पीड ज़्यादा है वो ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा. A and B traveling at 30 km per hour, 40 km per hour. Who would be covering more distance? Someone who is traveling at a greater speed. So S and D, speed and distance, share direct proportion when the time is same. Is the time same? Yes, the time is same. In the same time, the time taken by A to travel 180 degrees is the same time taken by B to travel 150 degrees. So when time is same, speed and distance are directly proportional, which means whatever is the distance ratio, it becomes the speed ratio. Distance ratio and speed ratio becomes the same. Now, what is asked? What is the ratio of speeds of A and B? Let's simplify this. 6, 5. Option A is our correct fit. Understanding the concepts of proportionality, direct proportion and inverse proportion. बहुत ही important concept है. ये although TST का concept है, but then again you should know the concept of ratio as well. चलो, I hope this helps.